Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we've got a very exciting NFT project for you called Pathfinders. This project goes beyond artwork and has amazing benefits for holders, and they're also expanding into a new metaverse. Today we're going to go through their website, all the information on their social media, give you a few sneak peeks, and then let you know what we think about the project overall. Now, before we get started, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, so anything I do say in this video is my own personal opinion. So if you are going to invest in this project or any others, make sure you do your own due diligence and your own research before investing, and make sure that you never invest more than you are willing to lose. And with all that being said, we will get started here on their website. Now, before going through the information here, I did want to point out that if you are watching this early, they are doing a raffle for this project on February 4th, and then they're going to be minting on February 5th. So make sure you take advantage of that. You can go through and find the details on the website or their Discord. So starting off with some of the basic details, so the Pathfinders are going to consist of 7,878 unique 3D NFTs, and these NFTs are going to be divided into 4 different factions, which we'll go through those here in just a moment, and they are on the Ethereum blockchain. And their intro here says, summoned by ethereals, they are on missions in a forgotten world, displaced in a corner of the metaverse. Join us and become part of this immersive project. So with the possible factions that you have here, you've got blacksmiths, the Nautilus, drillers, and zeppelins. Each will have their own benefits, and these also tie into rarity. Taking a look at their roadmap here, first they are doing their launch, and this will just be launching the project. Each of these NFTs are going to be 100% unique, and all of the traits are going to be custom generated. And after this project does complete minting, they are not going to open it back up for this particular one. So all sales of the NFT afterwards are going to have to be done on OpenSea. Now this next one is amazing. I think this is the only project that I've seen offer something like this to its holders as a benefit. So they are going to release very specialized, unique items to the holders. So they do say here that they're not just cheap t-shirts. They're going to be doing things like custom 3D busts and unique paintings of your actual NFT. So they definitely look to have owners of this one buy and hold. And so not only do you get access to their metaverse, you're also going to get access to some of this really unique merch and drops. This is definitely something that sparked my interest when I was reading through this and researching this project. So also at 40%, they're going to be releasing what's called a Zephyr box, and these are going to be like loot boxes that are going to be sent out in digital form, and they will be sent out to holders of the Pathfinders NFT. And with this one, 75% of the secondary market royalties will be put into a community vault and then reinvested into Zephyr boxes. And the best part about these, you get to choose what's inside the Zephyr box. So I think that's just another unique aspect that sets them apart from just a traditional random NFT drop. So at 60%, they plan to release interactive content in the form of VR videos and then multi-choice narrative videos. And this will just further immerse you and your Pathfinder into the Pathfinder's realm. So I think this is really cool as well. Again, every add-on centered around this project just builds on it. And some projects aren't like this, where they'll just release one season or version of their NFT and then they'll move on to the next one, and they'll collaborate a little bit and they'll mesh together. But with this one just keeps building on top of itself. So I think that's very valuable for this one. So at 70%, they add a little bit of mystery here, and it says what happened on Prothea. Now, converting this binary code, it roughly translated into the quick brown fox jumps over 13 lazy dogs. You can look more into it if you would like. I think this means there's going to be pet drops or a pet NFT to add on to your Pathfinder. So definitely interested to see some more information on this. They're definitely keeping this one a little quiet at this point. Now at 80%, they're looking to actually implement this metaverse. And they mentioned that originally they were going to do Decentraland, but that now there's a new metaverse being built that they're going to move into. They haven't said exactly which one it is, but if it made them switch, I definitely think it's interesting to see what technology they're going to to be able to move into the new metaverse. So this in turn did have them create a new generation of Pathfinders, which meant new modeling of their entire universe. And they've released some sneak peeks on this in some of their trailers that you can check out on YouTube or through their Discord. So it's a small note here at 80% too, but they do say that as long as you are a Pathfinder holder, you are able to participate in every single community event as necessary with other Pathfinders to exchange items. And this also now gives you the ability to create in this metaverse with others. And now at 100%, they're looking to release a virtual reality strategy game. So there's going to be a story mode, which is going to allow holders to construct this new game and also give you exclusive benefits beyond that. And the last part to mention on that is if you are a current holder, you are going to be able to test the game for free. Now next, moving down, they do have an interactive piece here where you can see what kind of traits can be generated with these NFTs. So you've got a helmet, an ornament, a visor, backgrounds, primary tools. You've got the inflow for your respirator. Then you've got your actual respirator, your suit, and then your armor. I really like that they have this interactive portion of this. It's definitely an added benefit to this and just another step that they go above and beyond most of the other NFT projects out there. You can tell that they're extremely dedicated to this and passionate. So I really love to see this. In the next section of the page, they've got their team here. They do have their individual profiles if you want to check them out. There is a pretty big team here, and I think that's just going to add to the value and success of this project overall. Now they do have an FAQ section here, but most of the information is either on their Discord or mentioned previously in the website. But the one I did want to point out is what can be in a Zephyr box. And it can have physical art, which can be like the 3D busts and other physical items. It can include whitelist spots from other projects that they collaborate with, additional NFTs, tokens, items and cosmetics for your Pathfinder, and other items. And they mentioned that the drop rates will be impacted by the number of Pathfinders in your wallet and their rarity levels. So I think this is cool. I just wanted to give a little bit more info because it does say you get to choose what you want to have in them, but it didn't really tell you what you could choose from. So these are some of the options currently, and I do look forward to seeing what they have in the future. Next, we're going to go through their Twitter and then their Discord and give you a little bit of information on those. All right, so taking a look at their Twitter, they currently have 37,000 followers. They are extremely active. They post daily. They're interacting with other projects daily. They post their giveaways here, which can include whitelists for other NFTs. I really like what they do here. They do put a lot of information out here, but I really love that they interact with the community and other NFT projects overall. I think that just shows that they're dedicated to the NFT space and they're not just trying to generate an art profile picture and be done and move on. They want to be involved and help other NFT projects succeed as well. So it's really nice to see, definitely worth a follow. And you get a lot of cool sneak peeks here and just alerts for bigger things. And next we'll look at their Discord, which has a lot of information as well, but we will highlight just a few things there. So looking at their Discord for Pathfinders, currently they have 178,000 members in the Discord, which is huge. One of the biggest ones that I've seen in a while. Now, from what I can tell, there's not too many bots in here. A lot of these NFT projects that have big Discord channels are usually filled with, 10 to 20% bots. But with this one, I haven't found that to be the case. So I just wanted to point that out. Now on their Discord, you can see that they've got the raffle date of February 4th, the minting date of February 5th, and currently the price is going to be 0.15 Ethereum. There are a few whitelist spots still open, and the one page I wanted to highlight here is their how to start channel on Discord. This has a lot of information and a lot of guidance, so I recommend you start here after you verify. This will get you into all the targeted information that you want to learn. You don't have to just read a whole big list or a section of things you don't want to read about. You can go right to where you want to go and the information's there. I love how they organized their Discord. I think it's run really well. There's a lot of targeted information and definitely worth joining if you're interested in the project for any future updates or getting on whitelists or being part of giveaways and seeing sneak peeks as well. So on the screen here, I'm going to show their most recent teaser trailer. This is going to be some of the virtual reality that they are crafting for the Pathfinders universe, and I'm going to let you know what I think about the project. So with Pathfinders, I think they've got a huge following. I love that they have a big team, and most of them are artists. Now, some NFT projects that are trying to release a lot of NFTs and unique NFTs like the 10,000s, they only have one artist, which isn't a bad thing, but I do like, since they have the 4 factions, they've got multiple different artists, which is only going to add more uniqueness to each of these NFTs, as well as help them generate some really good, unique traits and accessories for these. So I do definitely like what they're doing here. Very interested in this project. I've been following it for a while now. They do a really good job with the community, and overall, I see this one being extremely successful. Now, I am interested to hear what you guys think about Pathfinders. Do you think it's going to be as big as I do? Do you want to know more information? Have you already invested in this one? Either way, we would love to interact with you in the comments below. And if there's another project out there you want us to cover, let us know and we'll start getting a video made on that. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more NFT projects like this and more, and we will see you in the next one.